just arrived. It's yep, it's an LED lamp. This is actually meant to go on a boat. It's not so they can see, it's so people can identify them and which way they're going. But that's for another time. What I want to do with it is convert it into a lighthouse. Yes, lighthouse, you did hear right. Obviously not a full-size lighthouse. I've been looking at a few videos of lighthouses, and yes, they have big lamps. Well, the original ones did. But what I've noticed now is that when they get converted to LED, and a lot of them are being converted to LED, they do away with the lens. You know, the really large, powerful lenses that make the light beam shine out to 15 odd miles away. Yeah, they don't have them anymore. And one in particular that I did see, they've permanently covered it up and put the LED light on top of the lens. The lens doesn't rotate, but the LED flashes, and the LED, like this one, has got its own built-in lens. So I thought, yeah, I'm going to make this one flash and put it on a pole. It's going to be controlled by an Arduino. Let's connect it up and you'll see. It's not like a normal flashing light, as you see. This one stays on for more than it does off. But you can do that with Arduino. Several hours later, here it is. But I hate to admit it, even I think it's too bright. Although you can't see too much of it, it's not brightly lighting up the garden, but it is lighting up the garden enough for you to see by. Oh well, I'll get something smaller. As always, if you like what you've seen, a thumbs up would be appreciated. Subscription to the channel would be great as well. And as always, thanks for watching.